You probably have been told there are several ways to be rich. There are just two ways to be rich: hard work and luck. You can be rich overnight by just luck, by playing the give and take national jackpot and winning big money. Go to gntbig.com, download the app for free. With 100 naira or more, play the jackpot. Keep your ticket. Tune to NTA every Sunday at 6:30 p.m. And you stand a chance of winning 15 million naira or more and other consolation prizes.